Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the Xantro1.sys blue screen error that you are receiving on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error can occur very commonly if you play a lot of games or different applications on your computer. And also you can see this error message, a driver cannot load on this device. A security settings is preventing this driver from loading. You'll need to adjust your settings to load this driver. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable automatically managing paging file size. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na tong settings ng ating computer, and then dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung system. At dito sa right side ay scroll down. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung about. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa about, and then next step ay dito lang sa related links, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced system settings. So i-click mo lang yan. At dito sa system properties, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced. And dito lang sa performance ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung settings. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa kanyang performance settings, and dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa choose how to allocate processor resources at adjust for best performance, i-select mo lang dito yung programs. And then dito lang sa kanyang virtual memory, and then kailangan mo lang itap dito yung change. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa kanyang virtual memory, so kailangan mo lang i-uncheck tong automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. And the next step, so once na-uncheck mo na siya, and then dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung no paging file. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung okay. Alright. And hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the memory diagnostic. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong run, so dito lang sa box, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na mdschad.exe. So that is all one word. So you need to type this command keyword mdschad.exe, and then itap mo lang dito yung okay. And then makikita mo na dito yung Windows Memory Diagnostic. And then kailangan mo lang itap or i-click itong restart now and check for problems recommended. So kailangan mo lang itong itap, okay? So once na-tap mo na dito, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to use an FFC scan. All you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, and then kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Xantro1.sys blue screen error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.